How to fix Instagram black screen login on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen login on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and then click apps again and go to Instagram. Now click data usage, and here we'll find all of those. Here maybe we'll find something here like that. Just enable all of those and then go back, and here we'll find storage, clear cache, clear data, and then force stop, and go back here and check if your phone is updated, and then just restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.